So, good morning dear students. In our last previous classes, we had already discussed about the various differences between management accounting and financial accounting. In our previous class, we had already covered nearly about 10 points. 10 points related to financial accounting and management accounting. Like we had already discussed the meaning of both the accounting, its uses, its scope, different points we had discussed. So, I hope all of you given the last exam which had occurred yesterday. So our today's topic is difference between another point of difference between cost accounting and management accounting. So today we are going to discuss about the various differences between the cost accounting and management accounting. Both the accounting we had already discussed in the various branches. As we all know, there are three branches of accounting: cost accounting, management accounting and financial accounting. In previous class we had discussed about the management accounting versus financial accounting. So in this class we had covered cost accounting versus management accounting. So let us discuss the various points one by one. First one is your cost accounting. Second one, management accounting. So let us discuss one by one each point. The first point is object. Object means what is the basic objective, what is the main motive behind cost accounting and management accounting. That means the related definition or related meaning of cost accounting and management accounting we have to give it. So as we all know, cost accounting is particularly done to ascertainment of cost. Ascertainment of cost means cost of a particular product, cost of a particular department, particular unit wise cost that can be known with the help of cost accounting. But in case of management accounting uses accounting information for making planning or decision making. So the objective of cost accounting is to ascertainment of cost and cost control. So the main motive or main objective of cost accounting is to ascertainment of cost. Cost means cost of a particular product, cost of a particular department, unit wise each cost center, expenses or ascertainment of cost can be done. Not only the ascertainment of cost is the main motive, but also the main motive is to cost control. How the expenses can be controlled, how the expenses can be minimized, how the wastage can be controlled. That is the main motive of cost accounting. So the objective of management accounting is to provide accounting information for planning and decision making. So the main motive of management accounting is to provide accounting information. Accounting information means the information which were provided by the financial accounting and also cost accounting. These accounting informations are used by the management for making planning and decision making, to provide accounting information for making planning and decision making. In order to make future plan, in order to plan about how the business can be grown, for that accounting information used by the management. That accounting information is provided by the management accounting. This is the first point, objective. Then the second point, scope. Scope means it is uses. So cost accounting is a very limited scope, but the management accounting is a very wider scope. Why cost accounting is a limited scope? Cost accounting is very limited scope, but management accounting is very wide scope. Why? Because in case of cost accounting is limited to only a particular cost of the product, particular department wise. So it generally deals with the ascertainment of cost. That's why the scope of cost accounting is very limited. It deals with only a particular department. Even the cost accounting is not used by every sectors, every industry, every organization cannot use the cost accounting. So that's why its scope is limited. But in case of management accounting, its scope is very wide because every management has to use the accounting information for planning and decision making. Every management wants the growth of the business. So for that, the management accounting scope is very wide because management accounting includes financial accounting, cost accounting, budgeting. All these were included in management accounting. So that's why the scope of management accounting is very wide. Then the third one, uses. Uses means cost accounting is generally used the data related to past and present. In case of cost accounting, we are generally uses the data which is related to past and present. Uses of cost accounting is generally it deals with the data which are related to past and present. But in case of management accounting, it is generally deals with the past data for planning. So the third point is uses. Uses means in case of cost accounting uses the data which is generally related to past and present. The information related to past and present, these are used by the cost accounting. But in case of management accounting, it uses the data related to the past, and on the basis of those data, management accounting are making planning for the future. So that's why management accounting uses the data related to past. Related to the past data. Then data used. The fourth point is data used. In the basis fourth point, data used. In case of cost accounting uses only quantitative data. But in case of management accounting, it uses both qualitative and quantitative. So the fourth point of difference is between data used. Data used means in case of cost accounting used only quantitative data. Quantitative data means only monetary data. Monetary means the accounting. So data used means in case of cost accounting it uses only quantitative data. Quantitative data means monetary as well as in units. Units means how much kg, it may be in kg, quintal, whatever that, it may be expressed in the form of unit. Or monetary means the things which can be expressed in money. These are called monetary. So cost accounting uses only quantitative data. But in case of management accounting, it uses both qualitative as well as quantitative data. Qualitative means the efficiency of the department, the target achieved by the department, employee efficiency, all these things comes under the qualitative data. These represent the quality of the organization. But quantitative means which can be expressed in monetary. So management accounting both monetary as well as non-monetary. Both the items are shown in case of management accounting. So the fourth point is data used. Data used means cost accounting. In case of cost accounting, qualitative data is used. But in case of management accounting, both qualitative as well as quantitative data are used. Then fifth point. Fifth point is development. Development means, as we had already discussed, cost accounting was generally evolutioned. Cost accounting was originated at the time of Industrial Revolution. But management accounting is the recent branch of accounting which was originated nearly about 1950. So cost accounting was originated at the time of Industrial Revolution, when many industries came into force. Due to the many industries were originated, that's why the development need of cost accounting was felt. But the management accounting is the recent branch which was nearly about 1950, which was originated nearly about 1950. So the point of difference is development. Development means cost accounting is the second branch of accounting which was originated at the time of Industrial Revolution. But the management accounting is the recent branch of accounting which was originated nearly around 1950s. So this is your fifth point. Then the last point, principles. Last point is rules or principles, norms, or we can say the rules and regulations. In case of cost accounting, there are certain basic principles are there, certain rules and regulations are there, on the basis of which we are making or we are preparing the cost accounting information. But in case of management accounting, we had already discussed, there is no specific rules and regulations are there, no fixed norms are followed in case of management accounting. So the difference is cost accounting specific rules are there in cost accounting, but here no fixed norms are followed in management accounting. So this is the last point of difference. In case of cost accounting, there is no specific rules and regulations are there. In case of management accounting, in case of cost accounting, there is specific rules and regulations, but in case of management accounting, there is no fixed rules and regulations. This is the question which came in yesterday exam. So there is no specific rules and regulations are there in which accounting? The answer is management accounting. There is no specific rules and regulations. Another question, cost accounting was developed in which time? That the answer is Industrial Revolution time. At the time of Industrial Revolution, cost accounting was developed. Okay, so these are the differences between cost accounting and management accounting. Let us discuss one by one. So objective means cost accounting objective to ascertainment of cost of a particular product or department wise, not only ascertainment but also control the cost. Then management accounting basic objective is to provide accounting information to the management for making plans and policies. Scope. Cost accounting scope is very limited as it only deals with a particular department. It cannot be used by every organization. But management accounting its scope is very wide because it also includes financial accounting, cost accounting, budgetary control, etc. Uses. Cost accounting uses the data or information related to the past and present. But management accounting uses the information which is related to past, but on the basis of which management has to making planning for the future. Then data used. In case of cost accounting, only quantitative data are used, but in case of management accounting, both qualitative as well as quantitative data are used. Development. Cost accounting was generally originated at the time of Industrial Revolution. Management accounting is the recent branch of accounting which was developed nearly about 1950. So principles, in case of cost accounting, specific rules and regulations are there, but in case of management accounting, no fixed norms are followed. So both the differences are playing a very important role for your coming exam. The differences between cost accounting and management accounting, and also the difference between financial accounting and management accounting. Thank you.